君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっともう戻れなくたって忘れないで
ASTRO RENAISSANCE is here. If you don't know what that is, it's a new game that people have been waiting for on Twitter. It sounded good, so I decided to check it out. So the currency is moonstones, which you can collect around the map. So I'm going to show you how to complete one of the quests here. First, you talk to Venus, which is around the entrance of the map. TYSM for watching. I hope you decide to check out this game. It has a lot of potential and seems pretty fun. Anyways, see you in my next video.